Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to send a message on Bumble. Sending a message on Bumble is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Launch the Bumble application on your device. Tap on chat icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your matches. Select the match. Find and tap on the profile of the person you want to message. This will open the chat window. In the chat window, there will be a text box at the bottom. Tap on it to open keyboard and type your message. After composing a message, tap the send button, usually represented by a paper airplane or an arrow icon to deliver a message. By following these steps, you can easily send messages to your matches on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.